Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your math class. Today we are going to do unit number 5 measurement of your book name Math Wise. Exercise number 1. Measurement. The length or height of an object can be measured in centimeters, meters or kilometers. You measure the length of a pencil in centimeters, the height of a person in meters, and the distance between any in two cities in kilometers. 1 kilometer equal 100 meter. A kilometer is bigger unit of length. Write which each unit is the best to measure the following: height, light, house in meters, distance of your house to your school kilometers, width of this book centimeter, and height of this desk. Height of this desk is the meters. So question number 5. Length of your index finger and width of bathtub. The value of exercise number 2. Measure the heights of each and write it using the correct 40 centimeter, the value of 40 centimeter and the value of 80 centimeter. Measure and write the correct unit. Length of house 9 centimeter, length of railway engine 8 meter. Distance covered by a car, distance covered by a car 0 kilometer. Distance between Karachi and Lahore kilometers and kilometers. The value of 6 centimeter, the value of 3 centimeter and the value of 7.5 centimeter, and the fourth one is 10 centimeter. Exercise 3. Use the ruler to measure the length of each tail in centimeters to 4.7 centimeter. Monkey's tail 3.2 centimeter, mouse's tail and the 1.2 centimeters, elephant's tail and the 3.9 centimeters, lizard's tail. Draw the trail of each snail of the length given. Use a rule. Draw the trail of each snail for the length given. Use rule. 0 to 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Addition and subtraction of units of length. Red strip 4 centimeter, green strip 7 centimeter, yellow strip 5 centimeter, violet strip 1 centimeter, blue strip 11 centimeter. Exercise 4. Find the total length when the strips in the following cases are placed end to end. 1 green strip and 1 blue strip. 1 green strip and 1 blue strip equal 18 centimeter. 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11. When we add these values, we get the answer. 18 centimeter is your answer. Next question, question number 2. A red strip and 1 yellow strip are 1 red strip and 1 yellow strip equal to 9 centimeter. 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. When we add these values, we get the answer 9 centimeter. 2 violet strips and 1 green strips. 2 violet strips and 1 green strips equal 9 centimeter. 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9 centimeter is your answer. 2 yellow strips and 1 green strips. 2 yellow strips and 1 green strips equal 17 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. When we add these values, we get the answer. 7 centimeter is your answer. 3 red strips and 2 blue strips. 3 red strips and 2 blue strips equal 34 centimeter. 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus 11 centimeter. When we add these values, we get the answer. 34 centimeter is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 5. Find the total height when the following things are placed one top of other. 4 meter, 6 meter, 11 meter, 5 meter and 34 meter. Ladder on top of the house 2 meter plus 5 meter equals 7 meter. Tree on top of the hill 34 meter plus 4 meter equal 38 meter. Lamp post on top of the tower 6 meter plus 11 meter equals 17 meter. Tree on top of the house 5 meter plus 4 meter equal 9 meter. Ladder on top of the tower 2 meter plus 11 meter equal 13. When we add these two numbers, 11 plus 2 equal 13 meter is your answer. Arrange the objects given above in order to their heights, starting with the tallest hill, tower, lamp post, house, tree and ladder, starting with the shorter ladder, tree, house, lamp post, tower and hill. Next exercise, exercise 6. Arman has to go from his home to school. Find the shortest route for him. Arman has to go from his home to school. Find the shortest route for him. 3 km, 2 km, superstore, ice cream, flavor, 7 km, school, 6 km, stadium and home to 8 km. The shortest route for him from house to school is from house to superstore, ice cream parlor, then to school, and it is 3 km plus 2 km plus 7 km equal 12 km. 3 km plus 2 km plus 7 km is equal to 12 km. Total distance Arman has to go from his shop to school. Find the shortest route for him. The value of equal to 12 km. Exercise 7. Add the following: 34 cm plus 56. 34 plus 55 equal 4 plus 6 equal 10. By mistakenly putting the value of 5, the value of 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 90 centimeter is your answer. Next question, 236 plus 119, 9 plus 6 15, 5, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3, 355 meter. Next question, question number 3, 12 km plus 42 km, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1 5, 54 km. 20 centimeter plus 98 centimeter, 8 plus 0 8, 9 plus 2 11, 118 centimeter. Question number 5, 109 centimeter, 36 centimeter, 9 plus 6 equal 15, 1 carry, 3 plus 0 plus 1, 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 1 equal 4 and 1 as it is 145 centimeter. Exercise 8, subtract the following: 23 centimeter plus 14 centimeter, 23 plus 14, 23 minus 14 is equal to 9 centimeter. 456 subtract minus 239, the value of 239 subtract from the value of 456, we get the answer 21 meters. And the last value 45 centimeter minus 22 centimeter, 5 minus 2 equal 3, 4 minus 2 equal to 23 centimeter is your answer. 23 centimeter is your answer. Next exercise, question number 5, 26 minus 15, 6 minus 5 equal 6, 264 minus 156, 4, 14, 14 minus 6 equal 8, the value of 5, 5 minus 5 equals 0, 2 minus 1 equal 1, 108 meter is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 9, Ziba has a piece of ribbon 39 centimeter long. She cuts off a piece 23 centimeter long. What length of ribbon is still left with her? Total length of ribbon 39. Length of piece cuts 23 centimeter. Length of ribbon left 39 minus 23 equals 16 centimeter. 39 centimeter minus 23 centimeter equals 16 centimeter is your answer. Next exercise number 10. This is Spiky the caterpillar. It is 15 centimeter long. Spoolie is 3 centimeter shorter. How long is spoolie? Length of Spiky 15 centimeter. Length of Square 15 minus 3 centimeter, 15 minus 3 equal 12 centimeter is your answer. Next exercise 11. Draw a line 4 centimeter shorter than the given line 9 centimeter. As the line is 4 centimeter shorter, therefore we have to draw a line 5 centimeter. Exercise 12. Work out the length of the shorter objects. Find the total length of objects in each case. Picture 3 centimeter 1 centimeter shorter equal to 2 centimeter. Picture 9 meter 2 meter shorter equal to 7 meter. Picture 12 centimeter 3 centimeter shorter equal to 9 centimeter. Picture 92 centimeter 13 centimeter shorter equal to 79 centimeter. Picture 37 centimeter 10 centimeter shorter, 27 centimeter is left the picture. Okay. Next, weight is measured in gram or in kilogram. Kg, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is bigger unit of weight. We can be found weights of different objects using different instruments like balance, weighting machine. Exercise number 13. Pick the heavier one. Apple is heavier and the car is heavier. Third, truck is heavier than car and dog is heavier than rabbit and the can is heavier than lace and the fox is heavier than mouse. Next, exercise 14. Read and write the weights from the scales for kilogram, 450 kilogram, 450 gram and 335 gram, 25 gram and 60 gram. Which is the best unit of weight? The following kilograms, grams, grams and kilograms and gram of the 6 cup. The weight is the gram. Exercise 16. Observe the objects and we weight that might have and then draw them in one of the shelves according to the weight written. Less than 1 kilogram, more than 1 kilogram. Less than 1 kilogram, picture, pencil, scissor, books, jar, laptop, TV, beer, fish jar. Weight is heavier more than 1 kilogram. Addition and subtraction of unit of weight. Exercise 17. Shopkeeper has the following weight of his scales. Help him weight the objects shown. The scale 5 kg plus 3 kg equal 300 gram plus 30 gram. 5 kilogram plus 3 kilogram equal 8 kilogram. 250 gram plus 10 gram equal 260 gram. 30 gram plus 25 gram plus 20 gram plus 5 gram. When we add these values, we get the answer 80 gram. 260 gram, 10 kilogram, 3 kilogram and 13 kilogram. The value of 13 kilogram. Next, exercise number 18. 100 gram plus 78 gram. When we add these values, we get the answer 178 gram. Add the following weights. Exercise 18, question number 1. 234 kilogram plus 164 kilogram. 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3, 398 kilogram. 223 kilogram plus 45 kilogram. 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6. When we add these values, we get the answer 68 kilogram is your answer. 962 gram plus 140 gram. 2 plus 0 2, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1102 gram. 403 gram plus 96, 6 plus 3 9, 0 plus 9 9, 4, as it is 499 gram is your answer. Next, exercise 19. What weight the must remove from the left pen to balance the article of the right pen? Left pen to the balance article of the right pen. By mistakenly write the left hand, the value of left. 8 kilogram less 5 kilogram. When we subtract the value of 5, subtract from the value of 8, we get the answer 3. The value of 330 minus 200 equal 130 gram is left the amount. Remaining amount 130 gram. 750 gram minus 630 gram, 0 less 0, 5 minus 3 equal to 7 minus 6 equal 1, 120 gram. 100 gram minus 63 gram, we get the answer 37 gram. The value of 330 gram minus 200 gram left the amount 130 gram. 15 kilogram minus 11 kilogram. When the value of 11 kilogram subtract from the value of 15 kilogram, we get the answer 4 kilogram. 41 kilogram minus 241, 29 kilogram. The value of 41 kilogram minus 29 kilogram left the amount 12 kilogram. 11 minus 9, 2. The value of 3 minus 2 equal to 1. The remaining amount of 12 kilogram. Next exercise, exercise 20. Work out the following. Subtract 16 kilogram minus 8 kilogram equal 8. 178 gram minus 162 gram equal to 16 gram. 920 kilogram minus 458 kilogram. When the value of 458 subtract from the value of 920, we get the answer 462 kilogram. 102 kilogram minus 35 kilogram, we get the answer 67 kilogram is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 21. Shayan is 45 kilogram. His father is 17 kilogram heavier than him. His mother is 5 kilogram lighter than his father. Shayan's sister is 8 kilogram lighter than him. Find the weight of each member in the family. They get into a boat that carry only 100 kilogram. How much overweight are they? Shayan weight 45 kilogram. His father's weight 45 kilogram plus 17 kilogram. When we add these two values, we get the answer 62 kilogram is your answer. His mother weight 62 kilogram minus 5 kilogram equal 57 kilogram. His sister weight 45 kilogram minus 8 kilogram equal 37 kilogram. Shayan 45 kilogram plus father 62 kilogram plus mother 57 kilogram plus sister 37 kilogram. Total equal to 201 kilogram is your answer. The weight of boat can carry 100 kilogram. They are overweight. 201 minus 100 kilogram equal 101 kilogram is left the amount. Capacity, the amount of liquid any vessel and can contain is called its capacity. Capacity is measured in 1 liter or in milliliter. In 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. A liter is bigger measure of capacity. Question exercise number 2. Tick the heavier one. Jug is heavier and the value of large box is heavier than and the last bowl. Big bowl is the heavier and the big bottle is heavier and the big can is heavier than spoon. So tick the can. Next exercise, exercise 23. Which unit is best to measure the capacity of the following? The value of milliliter, liter, milliliter, liter, milliliter and liter. How much the value of capacity? milliliter, glass में milliliter ऐड होगा and the next basket liter, milliliter, spoon, liters and milliliter, the last liters value. Exercise 24. How much liquid is contained in each jar? 2 liters, 250 liters and 250 milliliters and 25 liter. Question number 4. 60 milliliter, 100 milliliter and 13 liter. Addition and subtraction of capacity. Exercise 25. 23 liter plus 83 liter. When we add these values, 106 liters. 395 milliliter plus 38 milliliter, we get the answer. When the value of 38 subtract from the value of 395, we get the answer 433 milliliter is your answer. Question number 3. 749 milliliter plus 581 milliliter. When we add these value, we get the answer 1330 milliliter. The value of 9031 liter minus 6181 liter. The value of 6181 subtract from the value of 9031 liter. We get the answer 212 liters is answer. 45 liter minus 29 liter. 45 liter plus 51 liter plus 9 liter equals 60 liters. 45 liter minus 29 liter equal to, when the value of 29 subtract from the value of 45, we get the answer 16 liter. Question number 7, 587 minus 68, we get the answer 519 liter. Question number 9, 100 liter minus 48, when the value of 48 subtract from the value of 100 liter, we get the answer 52 liters. And the next question, question number 10, 82 liter minus 55 liter, the value of carry 12, 12 minus 5 equals 7, the value 7, 7 minus 5 equal to 27. When the value of 55 subtract from the value of 82, we get the answer 27 liter. Exercise 26, Salim took a shower. He used 40 liter of water. Had he used the water from a tub, he could have saved 13 liter of water. How much water can the tub hold? Water used by him from shower 40 liter. He can save water if he used tub 30 liter. Therefore, tub contain water equal 40 liter minus 13 liter equal 27 liter. A fish bowl can hold 6 liter of water. An aquarium can hold 34 liter. Where and much water and can aquarium hold? Capacity of fish bowl 6 liter. Aquarium can hold more water 34 liter. Therefore, capacity of aquarium 6 plus 34 equal 40 liter. Question number 3. On Monday, the weather office record 15 milliliter rain. On Tuesday, it recorded 4 milliliter, and Wednesday 7 milliliter. On Thursday, it recorded no rain. What was the total amount of the rain recorded during these 4 days? If the total amount of rain recorded for the week was 31 milliliter, how much was rain the fall for the last 3 days of the week? Rainfall on Monday 15 milliliter, rainfall on Tuesday 4 milliliter, rainfall on Wednesday 7 milliliter. Total amount we rainfall during 3 days. When we add these value, we get the answer 26 milliliter. Total rainfall for the week 31 milliliter. Therefore, total rainfall during last 3 days of the week 31 milliliter minus 26 milliliter equal 5 milliliter. Fahim put 2 liter of water to boil. 350 milliliter boiled off. How much water is left? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 2 equal to 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter minus 350 milliliter, 1650 milliliter is your answer. Water of boil 2000 milliliter water which is boiled of 350 milliliter. When the water left 2000 minus 250 milliliter, when the value of 350 subtract from the value of 2000, we get the answer 1650 milliliter, and 1 liter equal to 1 liter and 650 milliliter is your 1650 milliliter equal 1 liter and 650 milliliter is your answer. This is all for today. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.